Water Restoration Estimators. Are you tired of writing a super solid estimate just to have an adjuster or a third-party reviewer tear it to shreds? I know I was. Well, here at Reets Academy, we've developed a 2-day course to help with that. This 2-day course is part of a series to help your entire company learn how to negotiate. But specifically, we'll tailor 2 days just for you. This course will talk about using the S500 to justify what was done in the field. We'll also document in detail, exactimate frequently missed line items, how to adjust and when to adjust pricing, but we'll do even more than that. We'll talk about when certain conversations need to happen with adjusters, not at the end of the project, but during the project, to ensure that your money is not put at risk. See, the sooner you negotiate, the better. But that's just one strategy we'll talk about. We have so much for you. It's an absolutely packed 2 days of negotiating props. So we invite you, please come to Reets Academy or visit our website at reetstrionacademy.com or call at 770-712-7293. Estimators, you are not forgotten about. We want to help you and your entire team learn how to do the right job and get paid for it.